First, you're gonna apply your eye primer, just like I did. You didn't see it, but I did it already. And then the next step, I'm gonna use this color right here. You guys see it? All right. I'm just gonna put it all over my eyelid. Okay, so then when you're done with that, we're gonna pick a brown. You're gonna want to use a brown that's maybe a couple shades darker than your skin. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna use this brown right here. Okay, so then now with the brown, you're gonna want to put on your crease. And you're going to want to bring it out and stop where your eyebrow ends, so like right there. So now I'm going to grab my Smoky palette, 36 eyeshadow color from Coastal Scents. And I'm going to use this really, where is it? Dark brown right there. So you're going to want to use a good dark brown color. And then you're going to want to put it where you would normally put your eyeliner. So from here, you're going to want to start right here with your brush and bring it back over here, maybe halfway from like center in between the eyebrow where it ends and then where your eye ends right there. My blending brush and start blending the line, and you're going to want to bring it towards the center of your your crease. And you're going to want to blend it really, really good. So once you're done blending, you're going to want to, we're going to go ahead and use this black color right here. Any black, of course, will work. And with this, you're basically going to go over what you did with the brown. But this time, we're not going to blend as much. Then we're going to extend it. Make it really dramatic. So like that. You can make it thicker if you like. So just go ahead and bring it higher just a little bit. Like that. And then you're going to want to bring it all the way down. If you drop some black on your cheekbone right here, or if it's not straight and you want it straight, then just go ahead and take the concealer put it right here and then, you know, wipe it out. Blend just a little bit, not too much. So just like that. My Total Scents palette. And then just apply right on the lid. As bright as you want it to look, or as subtle you want it to look. I really like the brightness. It makes my eye look bigger in some way. It makes it really stand out. So now we're gonna do a light color right at the brow bone, something that will highlight it a little bit. I would suggest a matte color, which I'm going to use, because since I already have a lot of shimmer going on right here, let me use a matte for the highlighter. And you're going to want to blend where the brown and the new color meet to make it a lot more softer and blended. So with this look, you could choose to wear liquid eyeliner. I wouldn't, because the whole point of making the soft cat eye look was to use the eyeshadow. So it's really your preference, but this is what I'm going for. And so at the bottom right here, you're going to want to put a little more black in there. I'm going to use eyeshadow because I don't really want to wear eyeliner on my waterline. I just want it to look very soft as possible. So right where the waterline and my eyelashes meet, really darken it. Just like that. See how it got a little darker? This is how we want to do it. So now the next step is applying your eyelash, or your eyelashes, excuse me. So I'm going to grab my duo, and you could choose to wear any type of eyelashes. For this look, I'm going to use very thick eyelashes, thick and long eyelashes. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply my eyelash. What I like to do is drop my eyelash right at the center of my eyelid, right there, right above the eyelashes, of course. That's where I like to drop my eyelash, and then from there I fix the corners. So just like I did that. So just like that. And I love thick eyelashes just because I just love them. I have really short eyelashes, so I love long, thick eyelashes. And with this look, I feel like long, thick eyelashes is the best. Mine kind of are long, thick, but towards the end, they flare out a little bit. So now I'm going to use my mascara, and I'm just going to do what I do with mascara. Put it on my eyelashes, bottom, and a little bit on the top to hide what, my real eyelashes at the top so you guys can't really see it. And I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Paris Double Extended. Okay guys, so now that we're done with our eyes, next step would be lips. As you guys can tell, I already have my foundation and everything else on my face. All I need to do is my lips. I'll get a little closer. I hope you guys can see this. I'm using my camera phone because I feel like my other camera sucks right now and I'm waiting for my new one. So, yeah. I really like this look. So I'm going to use a dark lipstick from M.A.C. Okay, can you guys see that? You could go either way. You go really light, a nude lip, a pink lip, a red lip, anything. But I choose to go dark right now. So this is what I'm going to use. Like that. So this completes our look. I hope you like this tutorial. I really love the cat eye look. There's just something about it that I absolutely love and makes my eyes stand out. And remember, you can use any color lip with this look. Anything looks good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any feedback, please comment below. I would appreciate to know what you guys have to say or what you guys thought about my video. And please subscribe and share with others. I would also until next time, I'll see you guys soon, okay?